Welcome to the Guide to Revolut Standard account, where we will walk you through the features and benefits of this popular digital banking service. Revolut is a financial technology company that offers a range of accounts, including the Standard account, which is free and easy to use. First, let's start with the basics. The Revolut Standard account is a digital current account that allows you to manage your money on the go. You can open an account in minutes, and it's available to anyone with a valid ID and address in a supported country. One of the key features of the Revolut Standard account is the ability to spend and exchange money in multiple currencies. You can hold and exchange 29 currencies in the Revolut app, and you can also spend money abroad with no hidden fees. This makes it ideal for travelers, freelancers, and anyone who needs to make international transactions. Another benefit of the Revolut Standard account is the real-time spending updates. You can track your spending in the app, and you'll receive instant notifications whenever you make a transaction. This helps you stay on top of your finances and avoid overspending. In addition to spending and exchanging money, the Revolut Standard account also offers a range of other features. You can set budgets and track your spending by category. And you can also freeze and unfreeze your card if it's lost or stolen. You can also use the app to send and receive money, both domestically and internationally. To get started with the Revolut Standard account, simply download the Revolut app and follow the sign-up process. You'll need to provide some basic information, such as your name and address. And you'll also need to verify your ID. Once you've opened your account, you can order a physical debit card, which will be sent to you in the mail. In terms of fees, the Revolut Standard account is free to use, with no monthly fees or charges for domestic transactions. However, there are some fees for international transactions, such as a small fee for ATM withdrawals abroad. You can find out more about the fees in the Revolut app or on the Revolut website. Overall, the Revolut Standard account is a great option for anyone who wants a simple, low-cost way to manage their money. It's easy to use, and it offers a range of features that can help you stay on top of your finances. Whether you're a traveler, freelancer, or just someone who wants a hassle-free banking experience, the Revolut Standard account is definitely worth considering.